Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Matplotlib tutorial. So today's video we'll learn how to import it properly and how to use the Pyplot package. So first we need to say import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Now the as PLT is a standard way of importing Matplotlib. Now the second thing is we need to import NumPy, and the reason for that, NumPy makes it easy for us to generate random numbers so we can use them as a sample for the plots. So import NumPy as NP, and then we need to generate some x point and y points. So x points equals mp dot array. We can do array, or let's do a range. So this will generate a range of numbers that is between 0 and 10, and y points equals mb dot range, also 10 points. Now first let's see how these look like. So print x points and print y point. Let's see how these x and y points look like, and wait for it. Here we go. They are from 0 to 9. Alright, how can we use them to generate a plot? So we imported here matplot.pyplot as PLT. So we'll use PLT dot plot function, and this will take the x point and y points, and finally to view the chart we need to call plt dot show. Now we run and wait for it, and here it is. Now let me explain. This horizontal axis is the x-axis and the vertical axis is the y-axis. Now you can see that we have here is the x point and y point. They both start at 0, so x0, y0, until they reach 9. So 9 here, about here, so 9 and 9. What if, let me try and generate random numbers for the, maybe not the x, for the y. Let's go ahead, random dot rand int, and for that we need the low to be maybe 0, high let's say 5, and size equal 10. Let's see how this will look like. These are not random numbers, and we can see for x0 we have value 1. Here you can see terminal down below here. x0, y is 1, x1, y is 4, and so on. So you can see it's very simple and easy to work with the Pyplot to generate charts. Actually, we don't need NumPy. Let me show you another way. We can just say a list, and inside the list few numbers here and another list here, and let's change them. Maybe this should be maybe 3, 5, 7, and this one is 9. Let's run, and you can see it works perfectly fine. So this is a gentle introduction to Matplotlib. but there are many more we can do with charts, types of charts. We have histograms, we have pie charts, we can change title, we can add grid here, we can add axis titles, so we can maybe put labels for the x-axis and the y-axis and many more. But I want to show you something very cool here. You can see here we can zoom and we can configure it. So now all of this we can do by coding, but I want to show you this. If you maybe someday need it, it's there for you. And just reset, and we can save the chart as an image, and you can save it anywhere you want. I will save it to the desktop, and it will take some time. Here it is, and here's our chart. And as you can see, it saved the zoomed version. So if I go back, I don't want to be zoomed, I just click reset. Now you can save it whole. You can see Matplot is very powerful. So that's it guys for me in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment if you have any question, and I will see you in the next video.